Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use multiple YouTube accounts with only one Google account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will come over this bottom right corner icon and then we will going to click on YouTube Studio. Click on that. After coming on YouTube Studio, we will come over settings option and then we will go for channel. Click on advanced settings. Scroll down a little bit and you will find manage YouTube accounts. Click on that, and after that we will come over to our manage settings, and now we will go for, and then we will now click on create a new channel. Click on that, and now we will going to name it as like example. Click on I understand that I'm creating a new Google account. Click on create. So after a very short time you can see I created another YouTube account into my one Gmail account. You can see. So this is how you can use multiple YouTube accounts on your one Google account. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.